Hey all, today we are going to learn action words in English with sentences. I am playing ball. I am skipping. I am sleepy. I am cooking food. I am painting. I am walking. I am running. I am playing guitar. I am dancing. I am swimming. I am mopping the floor. I am licking an ice cream. I am jumping. I am skateboarding. I am skating. I am going to school. I am riding a bicycle. I am eating cookies. I am eating my food. I am playing in the rain. I am clapping. I am exercising. I am drinking juice. I am brushing my hair. I am brushing my teeth. I am laughing. I am eating an apple. I am drinking water. I am cooking food. I am building with blocks. I am playing hide and seek. I am bathing. I am riding a scooter. I am hugging my mom. I am washing my clothes. I am drying the clothes. I am sliding. I am washing my hands. I am bouncing a ball. I am reading a book. I am writing a book. I am blinking my eyes. I am singing. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.